To my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make gluten-free bhaturas. For this I have taken 2 cups of gluten-free maida. In this we will add 2 teaspoons of rice flour and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We will mix all the ingredients very properly. We will mix all the ingredients properly and I will add 2 spoons of ghee. Then we will start adding curd and knead the flour. Now it's been around 6 to 7 hours and we will make the bhaturas out of the dough. We will take a small bowl. Already kept the oil for heating. I have applied the oil so that it doesn't stick up. Now we will put this into hot oil. Some dry flour. And make small bhaturas so that they puff up. These are the yummy bhaturas ready. You can enjoy these with chhole. And thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.